Nagesh Karajgi Orchid channel, myself Harsha teacher. As we have seen last session that we have learned data handling. Now today we are going to learn pre-math concept, that is half, full, empty. The concept of half, full, empty we are going to see. First of all, everybody sit properly, take your book, pencil, eraser, crayons, and now first I will show you the concept, how it will clear. So now practically we are going to see the concept of half, full, empty, and then later on we will see in the book. So everybody first fold your hands and look up to the teacher. So open your page number 5 from your skill book. Open your page number 5. In that today we are going to learn concept of full, half and empty. F-U-L-L full, H-A-L-F half, A-N-D and, E-M-P-T-Y empty. Full means जो ऐसे, this is the full, this is half and this is empty. So we will see practically these concepts and then later on we will see in the book. First I will show you that what is the concept of full, half and empty. Okay. So see, now I have here 3 glasses. Can you see here 3 glasses? Yes, these all are empty. In this nothing is there. But now we will see different types of this concepts. Now I am filling one glass with water. Till up I have filled the water. And now in second I am going to fill half, little bit water like this. And in third I am not going to fill the water. So see, now here we have 3 glasses. I have filled the water in that glass. First, in first glass, see, the water is still up. So it is full. What we can say? Full. Here in the second glass, can you see water, how much water it is? Like this, little bit. Upside water is there? No, only this much is the water in the glass. So we have to say half glass. And in this third glass, we don't have water. I have not filled this glass with water. It is empty. This is full, this is half and this is empty. See once again, in this glass water is still up. So we must say full. What we have to say? Full. And in second glass water is half. So what we have to say? That this glass has half water. And this third glass is empty. So nothing is there in this glass. So we must say this glass is empty. So got it? This is full, this is half and this is empty. Full means पूरा भरा हुआ, half means आधा और empty means पूरा खाली. Okay? So got it? This is full, this is half and this is empty. Now we will see in our book. To understand you, I have shown you practically. Now we will see in the book. So just now I shown you different types of 3 glasses. In that, in one I have filled water full, and in another glass half, and third glass was empty. See now here in picture you will see. Can you see in this bottle till up we can see the water. So we say full, F-U-L-L full. Second, here in second bottle, see the water is only half. So H-A-L-F half. And in this third bottle nothing is there. It is empty. E-M-P-T-Y empty. तो full means पूरा भरा हुआ, half means आधा, empty means पूरा खाली. Now we have to, first we will read the sentence and then we will see what they have told us to do. So TICK tick, THE the, EMPTY empty jar. Tick the empty jar. They have here 3 jars are there. So we have to see from this jar which is empty jar. So in this first jar something is there and it is not empty because inside something is there. In second jar also something is there, and in third jar, can you see anything in that jar? No. So we have to take this third jar. We will read the sentence and what they have given us, say us, that we will do. TICK tick, THE the, EMPTY empty jar. What they have told us? Tick the empty jar. So now we have to see. They have given us here 3 pictures of jar. In all jar something is there. Where is the empty jar? We have to see and we have to tick that. In first jar there is some sweets. In second jar there is some fruits like strawberry, and in third jar nothing is there. So this is empty jar. So we have to tick that. Like this in the box we have to tick. Now let's see second thing. COLOUR color, THE the, GLASS glass, 2 SHOW show, it is FULL full. So what they have asked us? Color the glass to show it is full. So they have given here glass but it is empty. Can you see anything in this glass? No. So this glass is empty. But now they have told us to show this glass full. So take the crayons in your hand and color this glass. Like this we have to color the glass. Color it properly. Before coloring it was looking empty. Now after coloring we can see the glass is full. In this way today we have learned the concept of full, half, empty. Now turn the page, next page, that is page number 6. Everybody, have you opened page number 6? Okay. Now see here. LEFT left, AND and, RIGHT right. So here we are going to learn today left and right concept. Which concept? Left and right. First we will see practical and then later on we will see in the book. Now see, in my hand I have 2 toys. One, this is Sonu and this is Monu. So in my right hand, right side, who is here? Monu, and here Sonu. Right hand means the hand which we use for eating, handling some things. The people we use, and left hand sometimes we use. Some people are there, hardly from 100, 1 or 2 use left hand for writing, eating, but most of them they use right hand. So the side which comes this side, it is known as right. The side which comes opposite side, it is known as left. The side which comes left. Now see here, they both are facing front, but one is facing to the right and the other is facing to the left. So now what we can say? Monu is looking to the right side, Sonu is looking to the left side. See, like this. Okay. Now we will see in the book. See what we can see in this box. Car. Okay. Are they same facing? No. They are, the face are different. This side starter is there and this side starter is there. So this car is left, left, and that side is right, right. So now next, I is the, dog, to, the, left, left, or, right, of, the, things, right. Is the dog to the left or right of the things? Right. Now see, things के बाजू में dog है, वो है कि वो right में है या left में है. So the things which are near the dog is sitting near these things, but where the dog is sitting, that we have to write here. Now when I shown you practical, this side I shown you right and this side I shown you left. But see, when I stand like this is my right and this is my left. But when I stand like this facing to you, this will be the right and this will be the left. So the book is facing to you. So this is the right and this is the left. So we have to see here where the dog is sitting, near the thing, left or right. See, this is right and this is left. Here the dog is sitting, so this is right. We have to write with the pencil. So take in your hand pencil and write here R-I-G-H-T, right. The dog is sitting right. And now next picture, honeybee is there and dog is there. Near the honeybee, dog is sitting, so which side he will be? Right. So in third picture, the dog is sitting near the flower. Where is that in this picture? Where is the dog sitting? Left. L-E-F-T, left. Now in next picture, see once again. See, where is the dog sitting? Near the corn. But where is the dog? Left side. Near the ball, dog is sitting. Where is the dog? Where the dog is sitting? Right. Here, left. Near the flower, dog is sitting to the left. So like this, we have to learn properly and see. Workbook. Open your workbook. I will also open the book. You will also open your book. In this workbook, page number 2, you have to complete. So write here homework. Homework. And on next page also, you have to write HW homework. Both the page number 2 and 3. So today we have learned pre-math concept, 2 concepts. First concept, full, half, empty, and second concept, left and right. We have seen practical also and we have done the exercise in skill book also. And now whatever the homework we have given you in the workbook, you have to do that. Thank you.